Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this extra credit project. I decided to be easier to show than to try to write it up. Okay, most of you have Macs. If you have a PC, you can see me if you want to do this. It should be similar, but if you have trouble, see me. Okay, so you go to your application folder. You guys might find programs a different way, but you need to open up in Notebook software. You want to open up the notebook.app. And you can always say I agree at this point because you're not hooked up to a smartboard, so you can say I agree. I'll leave the window small for now, but if you want it big, you can click on the green plus, as you probably know. Then you're also going to open up this smart recorder, which is recording right now, and you'll find that under, I believe, smart board software, and then this recorder.app. But I'm already running it, so I'm not going to open it again. And then right now, since it's running, I can't show you this, but this arrow next to the red record button, you can click on that and it will, you have a choice of recording the desktop or recording the area. And you might just want to record the area. You draw a rectangle around the area you are recording if your desktop is all cluttered with other things. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the button over here that says Gallery, and you're going to go to Essentials for Educators, and you're going to find Math. This is for the virtual compass I'm looking for. And then I believe you go to Shapes, and then I believe it's Angles, and you should find in the Interactive and Multimedia, click the down arrow, or the arrow so it goes down, and find C, Compass, right here, and then you can click on this Add to My Content. So then if you have to stop and start and do this again, what it will be is if you just come to this point, let's see, page sorter, then you go back to Gallery, you can go to My Content, and it should be there. So your compass is there. Okay, the first thing you want to do is drag your compass onto the page. Do that first. I found that if you put the compass on first, it's better for once you do the drawings. It's better to have the compass on there first. Okay, so there's some buttons here, these yellow buttons. This one, if you click it, it just moves the whole compass around. So if you just want to move the whole compass, use that one. This button, this yellow one, opens the compass for the width that you need. Okay, that's what that one does, and I'm just using the mouse. This one rotates the compass, like so. And then if you actually want to draw an arc, you actually click the pencil itself, and then that's how you drag and rotate, just with the pencil, and that will draw your arcs. You can change the pencil color. I believe you go to, okay, now of course I won't find it. Yeah, I believe if you click on this, oh, now it's just wanting to do it black. I guess, do I click here? Oh, you guys probably know more than I do. Red. You should be able to change it. Maybe I have to click on it first and then red. Is it doing it? Let's try. Okay, now is it black? Oh yes, but the blue overrode it, it looks like. Oh, you know what? I'm not even sure I knew you could drag it to the other side. Okay, that's very cool. That might come in handy. Okay, so now let's do a construction quick, just so you can see the idea. I would use these, this menu item up here where you get lines and so on. And I think it is already selected, so I can draw like a line. And then if I want to bisect that, go back to the arrow key, and I can drag my compass over there, and then I can do things like, you know, draw arcs. You guys will figure out how to change the color. Right now I'm not figuring out how to change it back. And then drag this over, and then it looks like, I'm going to make this big, sorry. It looks like I can take this, drag it around, and then I'd want to draw my arrow over here, so you click the pencil, and you'll get used to this over time. And then to move this whole thing out of the way, I can grab this and move the whole compass out of the way, and go back and get my, sometimes the page jumps like that, then go back and get this, and you can draw, you know, the bisector of that segment. Okay, so that's basically it. I trust that you'll figure out how to change this pencil color and everything, since I don't seem to be having any luck with that. And you can try different things, but I know it's possible because I did it before, but I normally use a PC. Okay, so that's the basic idea, and I'll post this on Moodle, our Moodle page, so you'll be able to see it. Any questions, please see me before spring break. Mahalo.